NDF supported us financially a lot that they are ready to pay fees. This my mother was super proud. She was so happy.
Hello everyone. Today I have with us Ziba, wonderful, young, very resilient young lady who came to Narcissus Foundation 2 years ago. And I call her resilient because she's gone through a lot in her life. She teaches, she studies, she takes care of her entire family. When you see her, she's always smiling. And I think she must be the favorite of all her students. Ziba, I'm so happy that you came here today and we have this opportunity to really have a conversation.
Thank you, ma'am.
And through you, I really want many others out there, especially young women, to be inspired by your story. You know, as a woman, many of us feel that we are not able to do this. हम ये कर ही नहीं सकते.
Right.
You know, and I find that that is completely wrong because I think once you're faced with a problem, I think a woman stands up.
Absolutely.
Correct?
Yes.
And I think that has been your story and I want people to know about it. So when you came, how did you come to Nargisat Foundation?
So basically, I got to know about Nargisat Foundation through a reference. So like angels, people come into your life, and so there was this one person who referred me that you work really hard. So there's this foundation that might help you in pursuing your dreams. So just go and just talk to them about it. So that's how I came across.
Okay. And then you came and met Andrea.
Andrea, ma'am. Yes.
So what are you pursuing in your education now?
Currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's in education, B.Ed course. After doing that, immediately I started working so that I can support my family.
So you're studying and you're working as well, right? That's wonderful. And what motivates you every single day? Because you're taking care of your entire family as well, and you are going to work. You have to give time to your studies because you want to get a B.Ed degree.
Yes.
And what really inspires you, motivates you to keep going every day?
So yes, since childhood, we've been watching our parents, trying hard to make ends meet. Especially I would mention about my mother. When it came to education, my mother always took a very firm stand, and she was the one who put us into English medium schools, and we feel that was a really great blessing. But still, English medium education was not so very affordable. I'm talking about the times 10 years back, maybe when I was in senior KG. So again, like NDF, we had angels during that time who supported initially to my mother, and that's how we did really, my parents did really struggle a lot. But fortunately, our education got completed, and I have seen my parents, struggling each day, and that's what motivates me. She has dreams, she had many dreams for herself, which she could not pursue.
It's okay, you're doing such a wonderful...
I'm so sorry.
No, don't be. I know it's tough, and your parents must be so proud of you.
Yes.
We all are. Because you have achieved something which not many can in this situation.
Yes.
So imagine how happy your mom must be to see you, in this position.
So now as well, like the B.Ed course, the fee is really very high. So when I came across NDF, and NDF supported us financially a lot, even they're supporting us emotionally as well. The thing that they are ready to pay fees, this thought itself brought so much of happiness to our homes, to our life. So my mother was super proud. She was so happy, that I'll easily be able to pursue it now. So yes, I would say that if you have, this ambition, if you have strong passion, if you're ready to work hard, there's this superpower, the Almighty, who will bring people into your lives, and you'll just achieve whatever you wish for.
I think that's such a wonderful thing that you've said, and I don't need to say any more. I think this is a great message which goes out to all the young girls out there and all the youngsters who have a dream. Believe in yourself, and believe me, that dream will come true.